You know, the guy everybody hated.
Eyebrows.
Who kind of saved the whole island.
You are a hero.
Anyway, war with Leonard and the pigs.
What are you gonna do? I'm a foodie.
Still going on. Those pigs
are gonna pay
for our lunches. What?
And Bomb and Chuck are doing...
It's that time!
Yeah, whatever they do.
I eat dirt.
And me? Well, I still have some anger issues. But I'm finding healthier ways to deal with it.
Hello! Oh. Fred, I know we've had our differences, but we've discovered that there's a third island.
Fire another ice ball!
And they're plotting to destroy us all.
Oh, crap.
Give me one good reason why I should believe you.
And I'll show you the proof. Squeal Team said!
What the? Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon.
Really? We practiced this 100 times. I have to get a team together.
Guys, this is my sister, Silver.
I just don't think you're going to be compatible with the team.
Oh, wow. It is such a pleasure to meet not you, but you!
I like her.
We gotta get to the island, is what my assistant was going to say.
Assistant? You're the assistant.
Nope, no.
Oh my God.
This is it? This is the amazing team I've been working around the clock for.
Oh, you stupid bird.
Well, that's disappointing.
Step one, we're gonna break in and deactivate the weapon.
We look amazing. We gotta get that key card.
Hello, fellow Eagle God.
Oh, no, he's doing a voice.
Oh no, he's leaving. Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Oh.
Life's not fair, is it, my little friend? While some are born to feast, others spend their lives in the dark. Begging for scraps.
Everything you see exists together in a delicate balance. Search for what they can take. A true king searches for what he can give.
Run away, Simba, and never return.
You must take your place in the circle of life.
Everyone, Bonnie made a friend in class.
Oh, she's already making friends.
No, she literally made a new friend. I want you to meet Forky.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
He's a spork.
Yes, yeah, I know. Is the most important toy to Bonnie right now. We all have to make sure nothing happens to him.
Woody, we have a situation.
I am not a toy. I was made for soup, salad, maybe chili, and then the trash.
Buzz, we've got to get Forky.
Affirmative.
You're Bonnie's toy. You are going to help create happy memories that will last for the rest of her life.
Huh? What?
Oh, yeah. Bo? Forky, come on. Bo?
Bo?
Hi there, my name is Gabby Gabby.
We can't stay.
Yes, you can. Boys. Woody, behind you!
Oh! What are you doing here?
No time to explain. Come with me.
We need to get back to our kid.
Aw, Sheriff Woody, always coming to the rescue.
Bonnie needs Forky.
Woody, who needs a kid's room when you can have all of this?
Wow. Woody, aren't we going to Bonnie?
What do we do, Buzz?
What would Woody do?
Jump out of a moving vehicle?
Let's go!
Eh, you gotta go, you gotta go.
If you should ever leave me.
You know, you've handled this lost toy life better than I could.
Open your eyes, Woody. There's plenty of kids out there. Sometimes change can be good.
You can't teach this old toy new tricks.
You'd be surprised.
Bonnie? We're going home, Forky.
God only knows.
Bonnie, I'm coming!
On my way, Woody! To infinity and beyond!
Don't let Woody leave. Kids lose their toys every day.
I was made to help a child. I don't remember it being this hard.
Woody, somebody's whispering in your ear. Everything's gonna be okay.
God only knows what I'd be without.
Zootopia, a gleaming city where animals of all breeds, predator and prey alike, live together in peace and harmony.
Hi, I'm Judy, your new neighbor.
Yeah? Well, we're loud.
Don't expect us to apologize for it. ZPD's first rabbit officer, Judy Hopps.
You ready to make the world a better place? Gripped by fear.
What can you tell us about the animals that went savage? Are we safe?
This is priority 1. Hopps. Parking duty.
Sir, I'm not just some token bunny.
You strike out, you resign.
Deal. Hello? I'm here to ask you some questions about a case.
Then they should have gotten a real cop to solve it.
You are under arrest.
For what? Hurting a free wings?
You are a key witness.
No, he is.
Hey! I need you to run a plate.
All right, I know a guy. You need something done, he's on it.
They're all slots? We are in a really big hurry.
I am on
It?
break.
I have 36 hours left. We can only solve it together.
It's not about how badly you want something. It's about what you are capable of.
I am a real cop.
Never let them see that they get to you, you bunnies. So emotional.
No. Do not let go.
I'm gonna let go!
What?
We may be evolved, but deep down, we are still animals.
Quit it. You're gonna start a howl.
No! You are naked.
For sure, we're a naturalist club.
All the way down.
Life's a little bit messy. We all make mistakes. No matter what type of animal you are, change starts with you.
We gotta go.
Whose car is it?
The most feared crime boss, Mr. Big.
Is that Mr. Big?
Stop talking.
Awesome.
Daddy! What did we say? No icing anyone at my wedding!
I have to, baby. Daddy has to.
Far away, as north as we can go, once stood an enchanted forest.
You've seen an enchanted forest?
Yes, it was a magical place, but something went wrong. Since then, no one can get in or out.
Wow. Papa, that was epic.
What would I do without you? You'll always have me. Has Elsa seemed weird to you?
She seems like Elsa.
There's this voice. Voice? What does that mean? Head for the cliffs!
I'm gonna blow!
I've got you!
The kingdom is not safe.
Find who is calling to you. They may have answers.
I'm going with you.
Anna? No.
Excuse me, I climbed the North Mountain, survived a frozen heart, and saved you from my ex-boyfriend, so, you know, I'm coming.
That's normal. Where are we?
How did you get in the forest?
The mist parted for us.
Impossible.
Where did you learn magic?
Elsa, get out of there!
You can't just follow me into fire.
Then don't run into fire.
Magic is very alluring. Without you, she may lose herself to it.
Protect Arendelle at all costs.
I believe in you, Elsa, more than anyone or anything.
Is the whole putting us in mortal danger gonna be a regular thing?